Leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and plant compounds called phytonutrients that many Americans miss out on. While each leafy green is unique, most are rich in vitamins A, B, C, and K, minerals iron, calcium, and magnesium, fiber, and phytonutrients. These nutrients help maintain bone, eye, and even brain health. Include more greens in your meals with these options. Baby spinach has a sweeter taste, making it perfect for smoothies or stirred into soups and pasta sauce. Arugula stands out with its peppery flavor, but it's also versatile. Add to wraps, sandwiches, pesto, or pizza. Baby kale is a mild leafy green, which works well as the base of a salad, sautéed, or even baked as kale chips. The opportunities for enjoying more greens are endless, as are the health benefits. For more information, visit bigY.com, and until next time, be well.